What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, guys, for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I designed this beautiful dust pink turban head wrap with the braided band on the side. So guys, if this is something you're really interested, definitely be sure to hit the little subscription button anyway down this video so that you can also be part of my sewing squad. Without wasting anyone's time, guys, let's go straight to the video.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you,
the first thing to do, guys, is to cutting on my fabric. I'm going to measure my head circumference, which is 22 plus 1 inch for sewing allowance, which make 23. So I'm going to fold this into 23 mark, then I will measure 21 inch vertical line. So this is the measurement that I took for this turban head wrap. After that, guys, I'm going ahead and mark 21 vertical line, which is the constant number. After that, guys, I'm going ahead and cut the 4 band on this cream white fabric. So this band here is those band that needs to be braided, so I will cut 4 pieces. Now that I'm done cutting my 4 pieces of this cream white fabric, I'm going ahead to my sewing machine and start stitching down my turban head wrap. I'm going to take the main turban body and fold it in 2 equal half, right side facing each other. Then I will be sewing right here. Now, guys, I'm going ahead and sew the side that I talked about earlier. So I'm going to use my serge to stitch down this part here. After that, guys, I'm going ahead and determine the middle of these pieces here. I'm just going to measure the whole turban head wrap. So I'm going to fold my tape and mark at the middle of these pieces. After that, guys, I'm going ahead using my hand needle and thread. I'm going to sew the temporary gather stitch, because I will be removing this stitch going forward. So I'm just securing the front of the turban head wrap. After that, guys, I'm going ahead and braid my band. So I will use my sewing machine just to hold the end while I'm braiding. So you see me doing it here. Now, guys, this is just me braiding the band that I was talking about. So I'm braiding this band up until I reach the end. Then I will take another one and do the same thing until I get them all done. So after that, I will go to another step, which I will show you going forward.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.
Now that I'm done braiding my band, I'm going ahead and tie the knot. See what I'm doing here. This step that I'm doing right now is a bit confusing and complicated, but just practice. You just have to practice until you get it right.
I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love.
After tying my knot, I'm going to insert the band right through this knot, just like you see me doing it right here. So I will start by loosening it so that I can pass this through, just like you see me doing it right here.
Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love is one in a million.
After that, guys, I'm going ahead and pin down right here to both sides so that it won't shift this time I start stitching. So I'm going to remove the pin because I'll be using my overlocker to avoid breaking down the needle. So I'm going to pin this side and also at the other side. After pinning, guys, I will be cutting off the excess fabric like this so that I can start with the stitching. Now guys, I'm going ahead and fold in 2 equal half, right side facing each other. Then I will pin it down where I'm going to start my stitching up until the side where I'm going to end my stitching.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else will do what you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love.
Now guys, I will be sewing only 2 sides. So I have already started with the top side. Now I'm going to sew the back side of the turban head wrap.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything.
Now guys, I'm done with the stitching. I'm going ahead to take my hand and a thread. Make sure that you take the matching thread because yeah, don't be like me. So I need my stitch to be visible to you guys. So I'm going to start with the permanent gather stitch, which I was forced to use the double thread. Yeah, so that it won't tear off the time you put this turban head wrap on. I'm going to continue with the running stitch up until the top. Then I'll also do the back stitch just to secure.
It's me, love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny.
Now guys, I'm done sewing this turban head wrap. It's ready, so I'm going to show you on my mannequin head so you guys can see the final product. So I'm so excited with the outcome. So if this is something you're really interested, definitely be sure to hit the little subscription button on this video and also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my content for this turban head wrap. So I will definitely see you on my next video. Bye.